Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to coordinate schedules with colleagues, family members, or anyone you work with regularly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want to set up the shared calendar. Once your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to the Calendar section. Look towards the bottom left of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. This is your gateway to all calendar-related features in Outlook. Go ahead and click on the calendar icon to proceed to the calendar menu. Now that you're in the Calendar section, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Here you'll find an option called Open Calendar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select from Address Book. This option allows you to connect with other people's calendars directly. After clicking from Address Book, a small window will pop up on your screen. This window prompts you to select the contact you wish to create a shared calendar with. You have two options here. You can either choose from your existing contacts that are already saved in Outlook, or you can manually enter an email address in the provided field below. This flexibility means you can quickly add anyone, whether they're in your contact list or not. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to confirm. At this point, a calendar retrieval process will start. This is Outlook connecting to the other person's calendar and loading their information. Simply wait for this process to finish. It usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet connection and the amount of calendar data being loaded. Once the retrieval is complete, you'll see a side-by-side view of both calendars. Your calendar will be displayed alongside the calendar of the contact you've added. This dual view makes it incredibly easy to compare schedules, find common free time, and coordinate meetings or events without constantly switching between different calendars. And that's it. You've successfully created a shared calendar view in Outlook, making collaboration and scheduling much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.